Hi everybody, this is Em from DIYM, and today we're going to do an actual Halloween thing, believe it or not. It's kind of like an easy Halloween craft. You can probably even do this very last minute if you wanted to around Halloween. So I got this idea, I was in high school, so it was a long time ago. I had a friend from kindergarten. They used to get a few kids to their door around Halloween. We were kind of all living in the country, so there's certain random kids that would come around, but not a lot, I guess. So I went over one year just to sort of help out with handing out candy, and her mom kind of did this. Again, there's only a few kids, so this may seem like kind of like a really expensive thing to do, to hand out candy like this for Halloween. It's great for if you only have like a few kids coming to your door. If you can handle it financially, that's fine, but also it's good for a few kids. If you're, say, handing out stuff for boo baskets or something like that, it's kind of a cute thing to add to boo baskets. I don't know who's doing boo baskets at this point in time, but this is always kind of a cool idea to save for even next year if you don't end up doing it at the last minute this year. So I got these, I guess they're called Poly D disposable polyglove bags, and so they're all food safe as far as I know. I got these from the dollar store. What you do, this is like a really quick idea, I'm telling you. So they're quite big, right? I've got a pretty small hand, I guess, but they'll fit on most people's hands. So they're kind of like that, right? Oh my god, I've got so much room to spare here. Anyways, so they're kind of cute bags. So I'm just gonna grab what I'm going to put in this bag. I picked up some Popeye candy sticks at the dollar store. They used to be called Popeye cigarettes, but I think because nobody wants to sell cigarettes to kids, basically now they're called candy sticks. So these are fairly retro, really fun. I also bought, and you can get whatever chip bags you want. There's another one I'm going to double check and see if it works, but this was the smallest bag I could find at a dollar store. These were actually at a different dollar store, but closer to Halloween, I guess. I got this before the Halloween stuff even came out, but these are probably going to be smaller bags. So I'm just going to open this up just to make sure, just for size comparison. Oh, they're about the same size, actually. I thought that they were going to be a lot smaller. Well, actually, this one's even smaller. By the way, these are Canadian chips, the all dressed. And not only that, but ketchup is also Canadian. I'm not sure if Smart Food is Canadian. It might be. White cheddar popcorn. There's like 3 types of chips that I have here other than this. This is just something I got on the side, just in case. I might actually use this one too because it's quite small. But we'll see. So we'll use at least one of these bags for this. Okay, so we got that. I got some chips and rockets, also called Smarties in the States, but they're called rockets here. And then just sort of bringing back some other random candies that I had in my mystery bags video, just stuff like that. I'm not sure if I'm even going to use some of those other ones, so we'll see how it goes. So what you basically do, and I've already opened these rockets for the mystery bag video, so we put at least 4 of these guys in each finger. And if you want to, if you don't want to get Popeye candy sticks or something, you can also technically do 5 of these and put like another one in the actual thumb. But instead I wanted to give some variation of candy. And if you can find some longer candies too, that's always helpful. I found this guy, obviously, so I'm going to stick this guy in the thumb for just a little bit of candy variation. So now you're basically left with this right now. And if you want to, you can stick some chips in the palm. As I said, these are very large bags. So you can put the chip bag in there. So if it's like a small thing that you're just handing out for Halloween, sometimes you can get those really, really big boxes and stuff at the grocery store for Halloween and just sort of stick that in there. But yeah, if you want to, you can even fill it with other candies. Again, you don't have to do this. It's always kind of fun. Like that. And then what you could do is, if you have like enough room at the top to sort of tie it, you can tie a little ribbon or something around it, or put elastic, or even you can twist tie it, or get some pipe cleaners or something like that and twist tie it at the top. But this is kind of flat, so what you can always do, you can get some decorative tape. You can even also put like a bag topper on this at the very, very top. There's so many things that you could potentially do. That's kind of it, guys. It's not a majorly difficult DIY, but yeah, you can even shove more stuff in there if you'd like to, especially if you have room. A lot more candies in here depending, or different variations depending. Say you have some longer candies, could be if you can buy small Twizzlers or something like that. There's all sorts of different types of things you could do with with this kind of thing. I like the fact that it's a variation of different candies and chips and stuff, because I'm a chip person. I don't know about you, but I like chips. I love candy. I love it all, basically. So, but yeah, so you can basically just stick some chips in the palm and just some fun long candies in the fingers and thumb. And then if you want to, just some other random candies and stuff like that there. Really easy, really fun DIY. And yeah, just give it a try, guys. And hopefully you have fun and have a safe and awesome Halloween. I want to say thank you to my friend's mom who had this really cool idea. I'm not going to say her name just in case she kind of wants to keep things private. So she did an awesome job, I think, with those. I'm not sure if she got the idea from somewhere in specific, but I think I saw some similar ideas on Pinterest as well when I was kind of looking around to see if people have done this before. So I'm sure she got it from maybe like a magazine or something like that back in the day. But yeah, this is an idea that I've known about since the 90s, so it's been around for a little while. If you guys haven't seen this particular idea, I just thought that it was kind of like a fun, easy one to sort of throw together. You can buy these bags at either a grocery store or dollar store, and obviously candy, same thing. So hopefully you guys enjoy that DIY. It's kind of a lot of fun. So like, subscribe, share the video with somebody that you think is going to enjoy doing something like this, and hope you all have an awesome, safe, and happy Halloween. Okay? Thanks. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Bye.